Come here. Want some kale? Good girl. Bubbles. Hey. Bubbles. Hey. A little bit more. Okay. Bubbles. Hey, it's for Bubbles. Well, that's good for you, Bubbles. Well, are you gonna eat it or? Well, Bella, you get the last bit. All right, girls. Well, my hair's probably a mess, but got the big task of my morning done, going and giving the girls a treat of kale. Did you enjoy that, Bella? Bella, did you enjoy that? Bubbles, hey, did you Bubbles, hey, did you enjoy that? I think you did. So now it's on to, I actually went ahead and harvested a ton of kale. What was it, like 15 pounds? Something like that, 15, 20 pounds of kale, because I needed to do a hard harvest. That's why my plants looked kind of so sparse over there. But I had done that and went inside, just chopped it all up and put it in actually got these compostable produce bags, put it in there, chopped it up, and put it in my freezer. So now I just take some out and put them in my smoothies, which is nice. And then the kale, which is over there, can continue growing. And then once it's ready to go, I can kind of do another hard harvest. And I think I'm gonna do that for some other people I know that use some greens in smoothies, so that would be helpful for them. But for these girls, come here. They like their fresh kale, huh? You like your fresh kale? You like your fresh kale? Bella, do you like your fresh kale? I think so. So, that's all for today. We love you. We hope you have a wonderful day. Bella, why don't you get in here? We'll see you guys.